Hey everyone, Dieta with Grown and Vegan. If you have missed French toast since going vegan, this video is just for you. These delicious vegan French toast sticks are sure to please both vegans and non-vegans alike. Now, let's go ahead and get right into this recipe. Start by adding 1 cup of almond milk or whatever plant-based milk you prefer to a bowl. Add 2 tablespoons of all-purpose flour, 2 tablespoons of flaxseed meal, half a teaspoon of vanilla, 2 tablespoons of agave, half a teaspoon of cinnamon, I was just about out, half a teaspoon of turmeric, and 2 tablespoons of powdered sugar. You're going to mix this all together. My bowl wasn't big enough, so I poured this mixture into the measuring cup for more room. You can use a whisk or a blender to smooth it out. The flour kind of got a little lumpy, so you definitely want to use a whisk or a blender to get that nice and creamy. I added this back to the bowl and set it aside for about 10 minutes. The longer you let it sit, the more thick it gets because the flaxseed becomes a little expanded and it makes it more eggy. Now for the dry coating. Add about 4 tablespoons of flour and 1 teaspoon of cinnamon. Of course, I ran out, so I used Allspice. But I actually like the flavor of this, so I probably will just keep it to a half a teaspoon of cinnamon, a half a teaspoon of the allspice. I also went in and I added a half a teaspoon of turmeric. Mix all of this together. Now you're going to prepare your bread slices. You can use whatever you want, whatever type of bread you want, but I use Texas toast. I cut the edges off, but you don't have to do this. I just wanted to make it uniform. I'm going to freeze the rest of the leftovers for stuffing or croutons. Dip the bread pieces into the wet mixture, then the dry. Do this quickly so that you don't make your bread too soggy. I fried in a skillet, but you could pop these in your air fryer or deep fry them. I discovered that the challenge with frying them in a pan, though, is that the sides, I had a challenge in getting the sides brown. They were a little floury. So I just sprayed them with more olive oil spray, and that fixed the issue. Fry these until they're golden brown. The way these turned out exceeded my expectations. I love the slightly crispy coating and tender and moist center. I truly hope that you enjoyed this recipe and let me know if you try this out. Thanks for watching. Bye.